Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on radicals, and on this video I'm going to multiply these two radicals together. Now if you'll notice right away we see that some of the bases are outside of the radical and some are inside. I also want to note that it's the cube root and the cube root. The cubes aren't part of the cubes. So I'm going to start by pulling those out. We have 7pq from the first one times 3q from the second, which becomes 21pq squared. Okay, now we have to deal with the radicals. We have the square root of p to the 7, q to the 6 times the, these are cube roots, cube root of p squared q. Okay, so the thing about multiplying is if the radicals are the same, they are both cube roots. If one was a square root, we couldn't do this, but because they're both cube roots, I can write the cube root of p to the 7, q to the 6 times p squared q. The rules of exponents say if the bases are the same and they're being multiplied, you add your exponents, which leaves me with the cubed root of p to the 9th, q to the 7th. Okay, now how to simplify this? I want to do this in two ways. The first way I'm going to call the more obnoxious way. I'm going to expand this out. I'm going to say the cubed root of, let's see, we have 9 p's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 7 q's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And the thing is, the cube root undoes a cube. So p cubed, the cubed root of p cubed is p. The cube root of p cubed is p. The cube root of p cubed is p. The cubed root of q cubed is q. The cubed root of cube root is, see, say that 5 times fast. The cubed root of q cubed is q. And that last q stays underneath the cubed root. So we multiply to this a p cubed, a q squared, and a cube root of q. Finishing this off will only take a second, but I quickly want to show the second way that we could have reduced this. We have to remember the rule that says the cube root of something is the same thing as that thing to the exponent 1/3. So if I have the cube root of p to the 9th, q to the 7th, well, 7 isn't divisible by 3. So I'm just going to say the cube root of p to the 9th, q to the 6th q, pulling off the one q that isn't divisible by 6. Then we have, remember, this is the same as an exponent of 1/3, p to the 9/3, q to the 6/3, times the cubed root of q, which brings us back to p cubed, q squared. All right, well, now that everything's being multiplied, we can finally finish this off. We have our 21. Let's see, there's 1p here and 3 here. Again, when you multiply bases with exponents, you add the exponents. 1 plus 3 is 4, p to the 4th, q to the 4th, times the cubed root of q. And there we have it, our final answer. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!